You're welcome again to our YouTube channel, The Big Dome Live. We beg you to make subscribe and share this video to more people. Today we are going to talk about the Amazon forest. Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical forest on the earth, stretches across 9 nations in South America. Covering an area so vast it produces a significant share of the planet's oxygen. It is often called the lungs of the earth, but it is also its beating heart, crashing with the sounds of countless creatures. Amongst the most dazzling and vital inhabitants are the birds, winged spirits whose color lethal the rainbow, and whose songs were the soundtrack of the jungle. In its living cathedral of green, birds are not just a spectacle for the eyes, they are guardians of the ecosystem, messengers of change, and the keepers of traditions for the forest indigenous people. Each day in the Amazon began not with the rising sun, but with the forestic awakening chorus, long before light pierces with the mist. The deep, resonant call of the tinamo echoes from the shadows, flooded by the loud-cross chatter of parakeets as a golden light spread across the treetops. Flocks of scarlet macaws burst into the open sky, their blazing bright blues and yellows painting the morning air. The macaws mate for life, flying in perfect harmony and play crucial as it disperses, ensuring the next generation of the forest trees. Perched high in the canopy, toucans move from branch to branch, their oversized rainbow-colored berries plucking fruit and dropping seeds fall from the parent trees. Below them, teeny humming birds shimmer like glittering jewels, their wings beating so fast they seem suspended in mid-air as they spit nectar from orchid, bromeliad, heliconias, and so on. These delicate birds are tireless pollinators, ensuring that the Amazon's vast plant diversity continue to flourish. And in the realm of the predators, the harped eagle is unrivaled, with talons as large as human hand and eyes sharp enough to spot prey through dense foliage. It hunts monkeys, sloths, and other canopy-dwelling, maintaining the delicate balance between predator and prey. Along the waterways, kingfishers flash blue and white as they dive headfirst into the mirrored surface, while the mysterious arching or snakebird glides silently underwater before emerging to spread its wings in the sun. The Amazon also shelters for some of the world's most unusual birds, like the hortin, a strange leaf-eating species with a spirit crest, blue facial skin, and red eyes. Its cheeks are equipped with thin claws on the wings, allowing them to climb branches, leap into the water to escape predators, and climb back to the nest. Each species, whether majestic or peculiar, plays an irreplaceable role in maintaining the health of the forest. Birds spread seeds across great distances, control insect populations, and pollinate flowers that few other creatures can reach. For many indigenous communities, birds are woven into myths and traditions, symbolizing messages from ancestors, changes in season, or signs of fortune and danger. Yet, this magnificent avian world is under threat. Expanding farmland and logging destroy vast stretches of forest each year. Climate change, utter rainfall pattern, and food availability and the illegal wildlife trade steals chicks from nests to feed the exotic pet market. Each of these forces chips away at the forest in delicate balance, silencing voices that have sung for millions of years. The birds of the Amazon are more than beautiful creatures. They are the lifeblood of one of the richest ecosystems on the planet. Their songs mark the passage of each day. Their wings carry the seeds of the future, and their presence ensures that the forest thrives. To protect them is to safeguard not only the biodiversity of the Amazon, but also the health of our future and our entire planet. Without their colors, their curves, and their ceaseless work, the Amazon would lose its magic, its spirit, and perhaps even its ability to survive. In the preserving these birds, we preserve the heart of the earth itself, ensuring that the green cathedral of the Amazon will forever echo with the music of wings. Thank you for following us. This is a Big Dom Life. We may share our content to many people in order to spread environmental issues to others and protect the